rounding decimals works the same as rounding whole numbers. Rounding is a way of shortening a number to a specific place value to get a closer approximation that's easier to work with. For example, gasoline prices are often given to the thousandths of a dollar, and gas may cost $4.039 per gallon. But when we pay with dollars and cents, we're only paying to the hundredths, and so we need to round our numbers to the nearest cent or the nearest hundredth. Let's look at an example here of round 4.039 to the nearest hundredth. So if our gas cost $4.039 per gallon, we want to round that down to the nearest hundredth, which is what we use for dollars and cents. So first we want to begin by looking at the place values of our number. So let's do a little review on that. The number to the left of the decimal is our whole number, and this 4 is in the ones place. And then to the right of the decimal, each place to the right of the decimal point has values that decrease by multiples of 10. So in our first position to the right of the decimal, this one is our tenths place. The next position here of the 3 in this problem is in the hundredths place. And this 9 here in our problem, this third one over, is in our thousandths place. And so in this case, we are asked to round to the nearest hundredth. And so what we want to do is we want our number to stop after the hundredths place, and so that there are only 2 digits left to the right of our decimal point. And so what we need to do in this case is we're going to draw a line right here, and we know that we want our number to stop right there where we've drawn the line. But the question is, do we leave our number at 4.03 or do we round up to 4.04? And what we need to do and what will determine our answer is this next digit, which in this example is in the thousandths place. If the digit after the one that you want to round to is a 0 through a 4, you are going to round down. And in this case, we would leave our number 4.03. But if this number here is a 5, 6, 7, 8, or a 9, we are going to round up to 4.04. So we're asked to round to the nearest hundredth. We know that we want our number to stop here in the hundredths place. And in this case, our next digit, our 9, is here in this category, a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, which means we round up to 4.04. So if we're talking about gasoline and a price, and this being dollars and cents, if our problem said that the price of gas was $4 and 0.039 of a dollar, and we want to know how much we're going to pay per gallon, we would be paying $4.04 per gallon. In this last problem that we calculated, the thousandth of a dollar that we lost may seem insignificant, but when you think about the billions of gallons of gas that are sold every day, these little bits add up to quite a lot of money.